The P0069 code indicates a fault in the correlation between the manifold absolute pressure sensor and the barometric pressure sensor readings. This means the powertrain control module has detected a significant difference between what these sensors report, leading to incorrect air-fuel mixture calculations and affecting engine performance. Think of it as the car's brain getting conflicting information about air pressure. The MAP sensor measures the pressure inside the intake manifold, which reflects the engine's load and how much air the engine is currently using. The baro sensor measures atmospheric pressure, providing a reference point for altitude adjustments and the baseline air pressure at your current location. Ideally, these sensors should correlate closely, especially at engine startup before the engine generates vacuum. The map tells the car how much air the engine is using, while the baro provides the baseline reference. Several factors can trigger a P0069 code. The most common include failing or contaminated map or baro sensors, wiring issues like shorts or open circuits, vacuum leaks in the intake system, clogged air filters, exhaust restrictions, and even PCM software glitches. Extreme temperatures or high altitudes can also contribute. A typical diagnostic process begins with using an OBD2 scanner to read live data from the map and baro sensors with the engine off. Look for discrepancies in voltage outputs. The map sensor typically reads between 0.5 and 4.5 volts, while the baro sensor should be around 4.5 to 5.0 volts at sea level. A wiggle test on the sensor wiring can reveal intermittent connection problems that might not show up in static tests. Some newer diagnostic tools incorporate machine learning to help predict sensor failures before they cause major issues. Start with the basics by inspecting vacuum lines for leaks and cleaning the sensors with throttle body cleaner to remove contaminants. If sensors are faulty, consider replacing them. MAP or baro sensors cost about $50 to $200 each. Reliable brands include Delphi or Denso. Repair any electrical wiring issues identified, such as open circuits, shorts, or poor connections in the sensor harnesses. For more advanced fixes, a PCM reflash or adaptation reset might be necessary to address software bugs or outdated firmware. If basic repairs don't resolve the P0069 code, more advanced solutions may be necessary to fix underlying issues in the vehicle's control system. Reflashing the powertrain control module, or PCM, with updated software can fix bugs or calibration problems that cause the P0069 correlation fault between MAP and baro sensors. Resetting the PCM's adaptations allows it to relearn the correct sensor readings, which is particularly helpful after replacing a MAP or baro sensor. These advanced solutions, like PCM reflashing and adaptation resets, typically require specialized dealer-level diagnostic tools and software. Regular maintenance significantly reduces P0069 code risks. Start with changing your air filter every 30,000 miles. A clogged filter allows contaminants to reach and damage the MAP sensor. Avoid overfueling your engine. Too much fuel creates vapors that can contaminate sensors and trigger correlation faults. Follow scheduled maintenance routines. Regularly inspect vacuum lines for leaks, clean MAP and baro sensors with throttle body cleaner, and check for exhaust restrictions. This catches issues before they trigger P0069. With the rise of electric vehicles, the prevalence of P0069 is expected to decrease significantly. Electric vehicles don't rely on traditional MAP and baro sensors, eliminating this correlation fault entirely. Modern vehicles are moving towards integrated sensor modules that combine MAP and baro functions into single units, reducing the likelihood of correlation faults. Additionally, AI-driven diagnostics provide more robust and predictive performance by analyzing sensor data patterns to anticipate issues before they occur. Quantum sensing technology is being developed and tested as a future replacement for traditional sensors. These advanced sensors promise ultra-precise, self-calibrating measurements that could virtually eliminate correlation faults like P0069 by providing more reliable and accurate data.